Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing day 3 of the 12 Days of Socks Advent Calendar. So we'll get straight into it. We'll open the flap and then we'll open the 3 window, see what socks await us. A little bit hard to tear them open, guys, but you'll get there with some persistence. So we got some blue and white Stormtrooper socks today, so that's pretty cool. It says trooping through the snow, so that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so there you have it guys, that's everything included in today's window. So do let us know down in the comments what you think, and if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. But for now, we're going to conclude this part of the video. Thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike. Once we get to the next milestone, we'll be doing the next giveaway, so do subscribe surrounding for that, and we'll catch you next time.